262.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Palm Coast, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
That wind's folding.
Locations impacted include Beverly Beach, Big George's Reef, and Palm Coast.
That's it? That was short.
This hazard.
Alright, well, yeah, that was an oddly short marine warning. I tried to put this guy on in time, but nope.
A slight chance of.
Still phone line as ever. KI-63, but yeah, I'm not sure if they're going to be doing the evening weekly test today, because we had a few SVRs earlier, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Not expecting that. That scared me. I was just chilling over here and then...
The radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH-26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH-63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ-70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF-69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the new weather radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. This hazard is...
There we go.
You got that one?
Yeah.
A special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles east of Guana River State Park to 35 nautical miles west of St. Augustine, moving southeast at 20 knots.
There's still an RWT in
Hazard,
effect.
waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher
That
waves.
wind's phony.
Locations impacted include 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, Villano Beach, and Palm Coast. Marine Fort Jacksonville has issued a severe thunder. Jones County in northeastern
Two
Florida,
stations.
northeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida, east central Clay County in northeastern Florida, until 7:50 in northeastern Florida, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line 16 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Okay, so KI-26 is going to be
damage to roofs,
slower.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Augustine, Hastings, St. Augustine Beach, Villano Beach, Bostwick, Federal Point, South Pontevedra, Crescent Beach, St. Augustine Shores, and Butler Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Putnam, and St. Johns. This is a in vicinity. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KH26, the voice of the National Weather Service.
That's faster than I thought. Alright, well, my first ever alert off WNG 522.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service, southeastern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from St. Augustine Beach to near Orange Mills, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Augustine, Hastings, East Palatka, St. Augustine Beach, Marineland, Bostwick, Federal Point, Crescent Beach, St. Augustine Shores, and Orange Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To southward, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties. Special mode warning. The National Weather Service conjunction. You are listening to in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles east of St. Augustine Beach to Marineland, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, St. Augustine, and Palm Coast. Special weather.
The marine warning.
Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Marine forecast.
Barely got any of it, but I'm still counting it as yes. Aw, dang, too late.
St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 55 nautical miles east of Guana River State Park to 45 nautical miles east of St. Augustine Beach to 25 nautical miles east of Villano Beach, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Updates,
Source,
warning.
radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Navy Driddock.
What? That's it.
Marine.
I can't hear really well because I have headphones in.
Storms which redeveloped across Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 47 nautical miles east of Daytona Beach shores to 21 nautical miles east of Apollo Beach to 14 nautical miles southwest of Maytown, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Lagrange, Mims, Flalinda Beach, Titusville and Klondike Beach. Tropical thunderstorm warning for
And East
Central
Melbourne
Seminole
said,
County
"Don't worry
and East
about
Central
it."
Florida. Orange County and East Central Florida until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Well, hi,
At
Melbourne.
6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Castleberry and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60
Well,
miles
hello,
per hour
Melbourne.
gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, 60-mile-an-hour winds
Impact.
observed.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
gosh.
impacted include Orlando, Sanford, Apopka, Altamonte Springs, and Oviedo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
That's crazy.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Serving world. Special Marine warning.
Oh, not in time.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Daytona Beach to Volusia Brevard County, line 0 to 60 nautical miles. Volusia Brevard
What?
County, line to Cape Canaveral 0 to 20 nautical
Volusia
miles
Brevard
until
County, line to
9:30
Cape
p.m. Eastern
Canaveral?
Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located
Yeah, they
along
said
a line
Daytona
extending
Beach
from
to
New Smyrna
Volusia
Beach to
Brevard
near
County
Augusta
line.
Mills to near Titusville Airport, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Well, they're in the
Source, radar.
Flagler Beach to Volusia
Impact,
Brevard.
expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Turtle Mound, Lookoon Beach, Lagrange, Edgewater, and Titusville. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Marine forecast for the following.
Alright, well, that was an oddly worded marine warning.
Inches. This is 0.
But, alright, well, we got some very intense lightning out here right now. Still going. See if I can get a strike before to end off the special marine warning video. I give you 10 seconds, Zeus. Oh, okay, well, that was something. Oh, I really hope I got that. I really hope I got that. Alright, well, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Orange! We knew it! Yes! Someone? Oh, dang it. Yes!
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Orange County and east central Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Let's
Time.
go!
At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windermere, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Ocoee, Winter Garden, Windermere, and Bay Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Eastern Daylight Time. Weather Watcher service to have a radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near Windermere.
Here we go. No, not backlight. Channel.
Winds 5.
Go away, WXC3A. There we go. Alright, well, that's gonna have to work. Signal's really bad, but we only got like part of it.
Polk, Brevard, and Volusia.
Oh yeah, that was that.
Flood warning in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening.
Finally.
What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northern Florida, including the following county, Marion. When? Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details at 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ocala, Infinity, Ocala Airport, Santos, Smith, Silver Spring, Shores, Lowell, and Burbank. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Seriously?
Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northern Florida, including the following county, Marion. When? Until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and weather radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rainbow Lakes, Estates, and Miller. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.